Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about hardware 3 and smart summons. So as you know, the most of us are having with the Tesla, because my vehicle, I bought it in December of 2022 and it came with the hardware 3. I was expecting it to be hardware 4, but unfortunately it still uses hardware 3. I think maybe a couple months later, that's when they're going to start pushing out mainly with hardware 4. So what's the difference? My vehicle, Tesla started to have like what you call usually Tesla visions. So they remove all of this ultrasonic sensors. Most of the Tesla, I think the Model Y 2022 and before that have the ultrasonic sensors, and moving onward they remove it because they only believe only the Tesla vision, which is all the cameras they have. And so after that, like, they stop with the summons. So now here, before this, Tesla was mentioning that they only gonna have the Teslas, the summons on the hardware 4, which is more robust, more high end. But now his team was able to somehow boost the performance of the hardware 3, where all of the hardware 3 will be able to get the smart summon as well too. So that's what this article will be covering about. So if you guys want to check out this article, it's by Tesla Roddy. I'll leave the link in the description part, so if you guys want to go through it. But Tesla vehicles are operating with hardware 3, also known as HW3, are getting the new actually smart summon features on their vehicles with software update 2024.27.20. Yesterday, Tesla started rolling out actually smart summon to owners, but it seems that it was exclusive to those driving vehicles equipped with the hardware 4, also known as the HW4. Right? So hardware 4 is Tesla's most advanced self-driving computer, and it seems to be the choice of those who are most concerned with receiving the most advanced and up-to-date full self-driving releases, at least as of right now. While hardware 3 vehicles might eventually get phased out as the FSD suite becomes more robust, it is not the case right now. As hardware 4 vehicles started receiving actually smart summons yesterday, the hardware 3 vehicles owners were left in limbo, and Tesla had not commented on whether those vehicles would receive the new update. However, actually smart summons started rolling out to hardware 3 vehicles last night. So according to Zach, I guess he's on used to be Twitter, now X, say hardware 3 now got that ASS, right? So we'll be doing some filming with the hardware 3 versus 3 later tonight. So whole Mars blog, he's doing a lot of testing, reviewing on the full self driving. So you guys want to check him out. He has really awesome videos over there. All right. So and according to at BLK Model 3, a 2019 Model 3 performance owner, the features perform as well as it does on a new 2024 Model 3 performance. The two vehicles differ from a hardware standpoint, obviously, but as the chips in both are quite different, it seems this suite is refined enough not to have that impact on performance. The 2019 model operates with an Intel Atom chip and utilizes ultrasonic sensors, something new Tesla vehicles avoid, as if the company is converted to the visions only a few years ago, like I mentioned. So the 2024 Model 3 performance has an AMD Ryzen chips, which was upgraded to help support the various changes that Tesla has made from a technical standpoint. So my Tesla Model Y, it does have the AMD Ryzen chip as well too. So this is good news to all of the people that have hardware 3, because I think most of us, like I would guess about 80% of us have hardware 3, right? And right now Tesla already work on the hardware 4 already. So if we're chasing for all the new high-end parts, we're never going to be able to get it. So just be happy that Tesla is pushing out to hardware 3, right? So in this video, I also want to talk about cam duct. So if you guys never heard about cam ducts, what they do is they specialize in making products, spy cams, right? So if you wanted to check out your kids, your babysitter, or your significant other, there's many ways that you can do it, and one of them is, put a camera where you want to record them and where they wouldn't know that they've been recorded, right? So I have tested previously the cam duct with the smoke detector, and I'm going to be testing out this one right here at the outlet as well too, and it's really pretty neat. All right, so again, cam duct sent this product over for me to review, so I'll list all the information in there. So if you like the product, you can click on the link to make a purchase, and if you do, I do get a little bit of percentage of it from Amazon as well too. So, and that's one of the way that you guys can help out the channels. But yeah, sit back and relax and enjoy the review of the cam duct. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be doing unboxing of this hidden camera by Cam Duct, and then I'm probably going to walk you guys through the installations and see how it works and do like a little demo for you guys. So sit back and relax. All right, so this is the package that it comes in. So Cam Duct, they do have many different type of hidden camera. I think the last one that I reviewed was the smoke detector type. So inside the packaging, you will see usually like the instructions on how to install it, the user manuals, right? So this is a high-end hidden camera expert. The model is Cam Duct X Bluetooth versions, and this is the manuals, and then it'll tell you exactly what to do, right? So put these aside, and then here we can see this one is like an outlet type, so it will disguise. Nobody will know that it's a hidden camera, right? So as you can see, let's zoom out a little bit. So it has like a USB type A, and then in the two USB type A's on the left and the right, and in the middle you got a USB type C, and on the bottom here you got 4 outlets, which is really good, really nice. And on the back end side that you can see is this, so it'll plug into any outlet, so you can put this like maybe on top of the kitchen counter, or you can put it anywhere that you want to have record. So with the spy cam, which is a good thing about it, is you can record, like for example, if you have a babysitter and you want to know if he or she is treating your kid right, you know what I mean? Are they abusing your kid, or are they doing what they're supposed to be doing, or are they just sitting around and watch TVs, So a spy camera. Or maybe you just want to spy on your own kid, or your pet, or let's say you're suspecting your significant other might be cheating on you. Who knows, right? So as soon as you leave the house, you can tap into this and you can check out, see what your significant other is doing. You can put this in the living room, anywhere, right? So okay, so that's about it. And then the rest of it inside the packaging, we have just a little micro USB type C right here. Then it has pretty long screws, and has like a, I don't know what you call it, like a wedgie or whatever that is. That's pretty much it. Okay, so this cover is up here. It's you remove it, and then you can put in like a micro USB card. This one's for for just to record the data from there. So stick it in. Right, let's see. All right, stick it in, put it back. Right, like so. Why is it doesn't look like it goes in? Okay, now let's plug it in. All right, allow cam duct to use Bluetooth. So once you plug the outlet or the hidden camera into an outlet, and then you turn on the app, after a few seconds it detects it, and then over here, and you can change to right with the cam duct, and okay. And right now it's pretty much connecting to the camera. All right. As you can see right here, taking almost like whole of my whole room, right? And it's 4 megapixel. We can click on it. And let's say we can hit photo. All right, so you can snap on the photo and stuff like that in the album SD files. And let's see if we can format. Here's the name of the camera, the model number, Wi-Fi. Okay, let's go to the SD card setting, and we can hit on the format the card. So format. It says here it's expected to take about 3 minutes, more or less. All right, so we go back. There we go, 4 megapixel. Let's maximize this way. You can see. Take a picture, right? Photo success, and then you can do. So this is when you access this through the to the app with your phone or with your iPad, and this is when you're not even at home, you know. And if you want to record it, you can set the camera that will start the recording, and now it will save it on your phone, right? It's really neat. Let's see, 1080p, 4 megapixel. I'm not sure why it says SD card capacity less than 3%. We just reformatted the whole thing. So the date is there. I think the date today is the 6th or the 7th. I thought today is the 6th. Maybe we have to set the date back. Let's set it. Let's see if we can set the date, networks, time settings. Yeah, let's set it. So set it. I don't know. It doesn't let me hit on the time setting. UTCs. I don't know. Where are we at? I don't know how to calculate all that, but oh well. Summertime. Time setting, card settings, status ready, lubricate, recorded mode, dosage. So here you can do like a loop recording, or you like motion detection recording. So anytime when it sees something, it detects a motion, then it'll record, that's what we want, right? There we go. So we can take another snap of the photo, and if anything, you can go back to the album and you see the photos in there, or the images here, videos. Really neat. It's right there. Pretty much self-explanatory. All files. It's loading. So as you can see, right now I place it in the kitchen area, and you can see it's record the whole thing. And if nobody would ever think that there's a camera behind there, right? Because it's hidden. It's like a charger. It's like an outlet. So once again, this is a very good things. You know, if you want to keep an eye on your kids, or if you want to keep an eye on your roommate, or you want to keep an eye on your significant other, but which is great. Nobody would think that they've been recorded, right? Really neat, really nice. Very compact, very well designed, right? And you can take pictures, videos, anything you want with this one. Really neat. And then see, because earlier we set it up inside my bedroom, and now I just move it over to outside the kitchen, and I just plug it in, give it about good 20 seconds, and then you can just turn back on the apps, and then you're good to go. There's no other setup that needed to be done. Really nice. So here we are inside the kitchen, and like I said, I plug it in the kitchen, one of the outlets, and give it about 20 seconds, and it detects, and it's good to go. Nobody would think that there's a camera behind that, or that is a hidden camera. This is really neat. So once again, very well designed, just like the previous one, like the smoke detector, and this is like the outlet. Beautiful. So overall, the installation was really easy. Download the app, plug this in, wait about 15 seconds, and then just get the app started. Hit the follow through with the app prompts. You have no issue with it. Really nice, up and running. And then once you finish setting up this one, you can move this one to anywhere you're comfortable with, in the kitchen, in the living room, in your own bedroom, or maybe in the bathroom, wherever you want to keep an eye on your kids, your pets, or your significant other, your roommate, you know what, who knows what, right? But this thing, well designed, easy to set up. That's why it says a spy cam. So nobody think that it's a camera, right? Because it doesn't have any signs that it's recording anything at all. And you can use all of this as well too. So perfect.